Hi there, budding scientists. Welcome to Curious Minds. Have you ever wondered how plants eat? I mean, they don't have mouths like us, so how do they get their energy to grow? Well, get ready to find out because today we're diving into the magical world of photosynthesis. Let's explore how plants turn sunlight into their very own food. It's like plant magic, powered by science. So what is photosynthesis? It's the process plants use to make their food. It might sound like a big word, but it's really simple. Plants take sunlight, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide to make something called glucose. That's their food. Oh, and they release oxygen while they're at it. That's the air we breathe. It's like plants have their very own kitchen built into their leaves. Sunlight is the key ingredient for photosynthesis. Plants have a special green pigment in their leaves called chlorophyll. This acts like tiny solar panels, capturing sunlight and turning it into energy. Pretty cool, right? Next, plants slurp up water through their roots. The water travels through tiny tubes in the plant, like a straw, all the way to the leaves. Plants also need carbon dioxide, which is a gas found in the air. They take it in through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. And guess what? While they're busy making food, they release oxygen into the air. It's like a gift for us to breathe. Thanks, plants. So to recap, plants need three things to make their food: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. They mix it all together in their leaves and boom, photosynthesis happens. It's how plants grow big and strong and help keep our planet healthy too. Want to remember how plants eat? Let's make a fun craft. Draw a big green leaf, color it, and label the three things plants need: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Then add arrows to show how they turn it into food. Hang it on your wall as a reminder of the magic of photosynthesis. Thanks for exploring the science of photosynthesis with me. Plants may not have mouths, but they're amazing chefs of the natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun science adventures. See you next time. Bye.